Hi, I'm Cameron Hernandez, and I'm the Executive Director and Chief Operating Officer for Mount Sinai Queens. And we're here today outside of our brand new Express Care. It's called the Mount Sinai Express Care-Queens. And today, we're going to ask some of the community members here on the street what they think about having an Express Care in their neighborhood, and when they should come here versus when they should go to the emergency room. We're here today with Dr. Ezenquail, the Director of the ED, and we have some questions for him. Dr. Ezenquail, what's the difference between Express Care and the emergency room?
Minor stuff is what we take care of in Express Care. Major stuff we take care of the emergency department.
Do you know what an Express Care is?
Like an urgent care, right?
It's very similar to an urgent care. And the amazing thing here at Mount Sinai Queens is it's directly across from the emergency room. If you were playing basketball and you rolled your ankle and you start to see swelling, where would you go to get care?
If I could put weight on it, I'd probably, go to a walk-in place. If I couldn't, I'd probably try to find an ED to go to.
If you have a sniffle or a cold, do you think that you should be going to the emergency room, or do you think somewhere else?
I would like to expedite my treatment. I would go to an Express Care.
Runny noses, sniffles, nasal congestion, we see that here in Express Care.
How about if I start to have chest pain?
I would go to the ED.
I would go expressly to the ED for sure.
You're at your friend's house and you're petting their dog and you're having a great time, and then you end up going home and you start to notice a rash on your hand. What do you do next? Where would you go?
The emergency room, I would feel, would be emergent situations, and a rash would be something that I can go to Express Care for a quick and easy fix.
Flu shot, Express Care or the emergency room?
Oh, definitely Express Care.
If you were at home cutting an apple and you cut your finger, where would you go to get care?
Well, I definitely would want to get it taken care of as quickly as possible. So I think I would go to an Express Care.
Do you have any children?
I do. I have a 10-year-old and a 7-year-old.
And in the past, when they get an ear infection, where do you take them?
For my wife and I, it's really just convenience. What could be in and out, but we typically go to an emergency room.
And if I told you that we have an Express Care that can take care of that and you don't have to sit in the emergency room for hours and hours and hours, how would that make you feel?
Yeah, that's what we need. It's just efficiency, not sitting around too long, and just getting the kids the care they need.
The great thing is we have the emergency room right across the street. And the doctors who take care of the patients in the emergency room are the same doctors who take care of the patients in the Express Care. How does that make you feel?
That makes me feel super comfortable and reassured with the level of care that I would get here.
That's really reassuring, that I'd get the same level of care as an Express Care that I would in an emergency department with the same doctors.
This is the only Express Care that's directly tied to an emergency department, so the public really have nothing to worry about. If you come here and you happen to be in the wrong place, we'll get you to the right place that you need.
Thank you for coming with us today. And remember, when the unexpected happens, Mount Sinai Express Care Queens is here for you.